Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to learn about the cell theory, classification of cell, and the difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First, the cell. The cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all the living organisms. The word cell was derived from the Latin word cella, which means the small room. And the cells can replicate independently and called as building blocks of life. The study of the cell is called as cell biology or cytology. The cell was first discovered by the English botanist. His name is Robert Hooke. The cell was discovered in the year 1665. This is the image of the great scientist Robert Hooke who discovered the cell. And the term cell was coined by Robert Hooke, and he described the microscopic structure of a cork like a tiny bare room or monk cell in his landmark discovery of plant cell with cell walls. From Robert Hooke's excellent drawing in the Micrographia in the year 1665, the mycologist identified Hooke's specimen as the mucor, that is the common bread mold. This was the first known description of microorganisms in the microscope by the scientist Robert Hooke. And the scientist Robert Hooke called the mucor as microscopic mushroom. He attempted to observe the seed, that is currently the fungal seed is widely called as the sporangiospores, from which it develops the relatively low magnifying power of his microscope. In his drawing book Micrographia, Robert Hooke also illustrated the microscopic views of various diverse biological objects like sponges, wood, seaweed, leaf surface, hair, peacock feather, wings of the fly, the silkworm eggs, mites, fleas, and headloss. And this is the drawing of microscope used by the Robert Hooke in the year 1665, and it also shows the image of the fungal mold mucor, which was first observed in his microscope. Next is the cell theory. The cell theory was proposed by three German scientists. In the year 1838, German botanist Matthias Jakob Schilden discovered that all the plants were composed of cells. The next year, that is 1839, German zoologist Theodor Schwann discovered that all the animals were composed of cells. And after a few years, in 1855, German physician Rudolf Virchow found that all the cells comes from the pre-existing cells. That is, the cells can replicate independently. That is the point represented by the German scientist Rudolf Virchow. And the cell theory has three basic points. The first point is all the living things are made up of one or more cells. And the second point is the cell is the basic unit of life. And the third point is all cells must come from the pre-existing cells. That means the cells can replicate independently. The next is the classification of cells. The cells are classified based on its cellular nature and the nucleus. Based on its cellular nature, cells are classified into two types. One is the unicellular cells, second one is the multicellular cells. The unicellular cells contains the single cells, and its example are bacteria, archaea, yeast, protozoa, and microalgae. And the second type is the multicellular cells. It contains multiple cells, and the example for multicellular cells are the plants, animals, fungi, and macroalgae. And based on the presence or absence of nucleus, the cells are categorized into two major types. One is prokaryotes, and the second one is eukaryotes. The prokaryotes lack the true nucleus, and the example for the prokaryotes are bacteria and archaea. And the eukaryotes have a true nucleus, and the example for eukaryotes are the fungi, algae, protozoa, animals, and plants. Difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First one is the nucleus. The prokaryotes lack the true nucleus, and there is no nuclear membrane or nucleoli and the eukaryotes contains the true nucleus, which consisting of nuclear membrane or nucleoli. And the examples for prokaryotes are bacteria and archaea, and the examples for eukaryotes includes fungi, algae, protozoa and plants. The DNA composed with histones. In prokaryotes, the histones are absent. The histones are the alkaline proteins. The histones are absent in prokaryotes, but in eukaryotes, the histones are present in the DNA of the eukaryotic cells. Next is the plasmids. Plasmids are present in prokaryotes and rare in eukaryotes. The prokaryotic cell contains one circular chromosomes, and eukaryotic cell contains more than one linear chromosomes. The location of genetic information in prokaryotes is nuclei, but in eukaryotes, the membrane enclosed nucleus is the location of the genetic information. The 70S type of ribosome is present in prokaryotes, which is further divided into two subunits, 50S and 30S. And in eukaryotes, 80S type of ribosomes are present. It is also divided into two subunits, that is the 60S and 40S. And here the S represents the Svedberg unit. Next, the other organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, peroxisomes, and cytoskeleton in cytoplasm. All these organelles are absent in prokaryotes and present in eukaryotes. And the chloroplast is absent in prokaryotes, and in eukaryotes the chloroplast is present only in the plants and algae. The chromatophores are present only in photosynthetic bacteria, but it is absent in eukaryotic organisms. The sterols and carbohydrates in plasma membrane are absent in prokaryotes but present in eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, the cell division takes place by binary fission, and in eukaryotes by mitosis or meiosis. The peptidoglycan is present in the prokaryotes but absent in eukaryotes. Mesosomes are present only in prokaryotes and absent in eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, respiratory enzymes are present in the cytoplasmic membrane, and in eukaryotes, the respiratory enzymes are present in the mitochondria, which is widely called as the powerhouse of the cell, and which is involved in the electron transport chain reaction for the ATP synthesis. The mitotic spindle is absent in prokaryotes, but in eukaryotes it is present during the cell division. Cilia is absent in prokaryotes but present in eukaryotes, and the pili is present in prokaryotes and absent in eukaryotes. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your support. Thank you.